Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hello if you're new, my name is Jess and welcome to Smarter Beauty, where I do lots of cruelty-free beauty content here on my channel, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss new videos every week. You can also find me on social media. My links will be here on the screen and also down below. So today I'm bringing you a beauty box unboxing. This is brand new. This is my very first one. This is from Medusa's makeup. I think this is the February box. So if you guys want to see what's inside, then definitely keep watching. Let's get into this video. So I was just randomly looking online for a makeup or beauty box subscription service to try out that's cruelty free and also vegan friendly as well. And there's definitely some other ones out there, like there's the Kinder beauty box, there's Petit Vour, which I used to review here on my channel, but I wanted to try something different that was more makeup than skincare, because a lot of beauty boxes are a lot of skincare. So I'm just going to read off to you what it says here. You won't get bored with our vegan beauty products. Each month's box is truly unique, featuring anything from primer to glitter to the occasional skincare item. See, I like that. With the wide variety of items Medusa's makeup carries, it's no wonder it's the #1 vegan beauty subscription box. So it's $16.95 per month, and you can cancel at any time, and that includes shipping and handling and everything here in the US. It also says that each box comes with 4 full-size beauty products delivered monthly, ships daily, no waiting like other subscription boxes, limited edition theme boxes throughout the year, featured national and indie brands, which is awesome. Everything is 100% cruelty-free and vegan. Yay! Typically, a monthly box includes 1 beauty product and 3 makeup products. Expect neutrals for every day and 1 fun pop of color. They also ship internationally. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. I believe this is the February box. I'm sure we'll find out when we look inside. So first of all, the packaging is so cute. It's this really pretty pink speckled box. I think each box is a different theme, which I think is really fun, and I like to sometimes repurpose these. I've been literally going like this every day trying to figure out what's inside, like a little kid waiting for Christmas morning. All right, let's go ahead and find out what's inside. Ooh, first impressions. This is exciting. Ooh, look how cute. Oh my god, the box is so cute with the stars. So here's what the inside looks like. So it comes with these 2 cards here. That is so cute. So it does say that this is the February box. So I know that this is going up in March. So I'll probably do 2 unboxings this month. So I think the theme is called Heartbreaker. And on the back, I think it does kind of tell you a little information about each product. Medusa's makeup, it says Makeup, Beauty, and Skin 2020. That is so cute. So it's just a little booklet, kind of giving you guys some information. Ooh, looks like they're launching an eyeshadow palette. This is the Electro eyeshadow palette, giving you a little sneak peek at new products that are coming out, I guess, for 2020. So that's awesome. So there's just some pink tissue paper. Here's what the inside looks like. So there are 4 full-size items in the February box, and I'm going to go through each one with you guys. So I'm just going to go off of the card. So you do get a little information card, tells you a little bit about each product. So the first item here is, oh, it's a liquid lipstick. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh. I'm just so excited. So this is their new product. This is a beautiful liquid lipstick, goes from wet to matte in a matter of seconds. I'm just going to hold it up while I talk. It says our Stay On All Day formula glides on smooth for easy application. It says that it dries down to a perfect matte lip. So I have the shade Sstrip Tease. Ooh, I like that name. So this retails for $11.95. Ooh, I love the packaging. It's got a pink handle here, just simple, sleek. It says Medusa's makeup. You guys know I love these type of colors. Oh my god. That smells amazing. It smells almost like a perfume and a sweet cake smell all together. It smells so good. It just has a simple doe foot applicator. Just a standard wand. Oh, that is pigmented. feels very nice. So that is in the shade Sstrip Tease. I really hope that I like this formula. I can sometimes be a little bit picky when it comes to liquid to matte lipsticks, but that is the shade. It's a really pretty kind of dusty mauve, right, you guys? I love those kind of dusty mauve pinks. This is my kind of shade. Oh, I'm so excited. That is so pretty. So next we have the Vegan Glam Rock Eyeshadow. This is a high pigment shimmer finish from neutral hue to extreme color. And this is in the shade Rahpsody. Look at the little lightning bolts. I cannot get over how adorable the packaging is. So that's the back. You've got the ingredients listed. Also, I wanted to mention another reason I wanted to sign up to this particular box is I checked all of the ingredients. Let me tell you what, it took a long time. But I have very sensitive skin, so things like mineral oil, bismuth oxychloride, coconut oil, I try to avoid in makeup 100% if I can, especially bismuth oxychloride. And their ingredients are pretty simple, which I really do appreciate. So hopefully, you know, there won't be any issues with that. So this retails for $9 and you get a total of 2 grams of product. Yeah, so let me know if you guys would like me to do these videos where I actually try on the makeup in the video, if that makes sense. I don't know, would that be weird, or should I just swatch everything? Let me know in the comment section below what you guys want to see. Okay, it's not coming out. I'm having technical difficulties. Oh, okay, there it goes. Woo! Oh my god, it's so cute. So it has this really cute like plastic pink packaging. That is adorable. And on the back it says, it has the shade name. So it does say it's a high pigment shimmer finish. Oh my god, that is so soft. I was not expecting that to be so soft and creamy. Wow, that is beautiful. This needs to go all over my eyelid right now. Yeah, this is a very deep kind of warm rosy. This actually goes really well with the lipstick. I like the color combos in this box. So that is Rahpsody swatched underneath the liquid lipstick. That is stunning. And it definitely has a soft shimmer to it. It's not super metallic, but that would be so pretty, like all over the eyelid, doing like a warm smoky eye. Ooh. Alright, so the third item we have in the February box is the 100% vegan, cruelty-free natural lip balm. And this is the vanilla flavor. Ooh, you guys know I love lip products, lip balms. It's a tint-free tube of soothing lip balm, glides on smoothly to nourish dry lips while keeping them revitalized and hydrated. Rage Against the Bean. Oh my god, that's the name of it. Rage Against the Bean. That is so cute. This retails for $8.95. So let's do an up close. Look how cute. It smells really good. It smells like a true natural vanilla. That smells amazing. So it is just a clear lip balm. Oh, I want to put this on like right now. I love lip balms like this to wear underneath a liquid lipstick or like a really matte lipstick, because it's kind of that waxy matte. It does have that matte finish. It is matte. It's just clear, but it's matte. So you see how it's not that shiny at all, but it's thick. I like these type of lip balms because they're long lasting and they're not super oily and they're not slipping and sliding all around. This feels really nice. Oh my god. I already know I'm going to be obsessed with this, so yes. I am really happy, you guys. I know I haven't put the liquid lipstick on and like really tested everything out, but I'm really happy so far. All right, and then the final item. I'm sorry, I'm so excited right now and I'm losing my voice, so I apologize. I did another video today and it was a long one and my voice is like gone. Capiche? Alright, so the last item we have in the February box is called, it says, this is our most inspiring product. It's truly an amazing mineral eyeshadow, aka unicorn dust, in the form of finely milled shimmering loose pigment. Think powdered sugar. Oh, I love where this is going. And this is in the shade Full Moon. So this retails for $8 and you get a total of 1.5 grams of product. Again, the packaging is so adorable. It just says Medusa's makeup. It's just a clear acrylic little container. And look how cute the tag is on the back. So it does have a little seal on there, so just give me a minute and I will be back. I'm gonna have a brief interruption while I pick this off with tweezers because I have long nails. All right, I try to build it up a little bit, but there's the color there. It's so pretty. It's like this soft iridescent pink shade. It has a little bit of pink, a little bit of purple, like a purple, pink, lavender. Oh my God, it's so pretty. All right, I'm really curious to try this actually right now. All right, I'm gonna actually apply this to my inner corner. I'm just kind of curious. I already have an inner corner highlight on. Yeah, this definitely leans very like kind of pinky purple. I bet this would be a really pretty highlighter on the face. Yeah, let's just experiment. Again, I'm already wearing, oh my gosh, I'm wearing so much highlighter right now. Oh yeah, yep. I have a feeling I'm gonna wear this as a highlighter and as an eyeshadow, 100%. I don't know if you can even tell, but wow, that just sort of took my highlighter to the next level. So I just popped it in the inner corner. And ooh, do you see that purple shift? You guys, this is so pretty. Alright guys, so that was everything in the February Medusa's makeup box. Cruelty-free and vegan. Check them out. I'm honestly really excited to start doing these unboxing videos, and I hope you guys are as well. Once again, the liquid lipstick. We have the vegan vanilla lip balm. We have the Glam rock eyeshadow, and also this eye dust. Obsessed already. I'm really happy with the subscription box. I can't wait to play around with the lipstick and the eyeshadow. That is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here for more cruelty-free beauty. So I will see you all very soon in the next video. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Remember, smarter beauty is better beauty. Bye guys.